Hello and welcome to this screencast. In the following video, I am going to guide you through the usage of FindBugs in Eclipse. A brief introduction to the static code analysis tool can be found in the blog mentioned in the notes below. Firstly, let me walk you through the installation process. To install this plugin in Eclipse, go to Help menu and choose Install New Software. Here, select the online repository of FindBugs from where the source will be fetched. Beginners can add a new repository and give the site address that constitutes it. As I already have it installed, I am going to hit the cancel button here. Check the fetched items and proceed for installation, which takes less than a few minutes. Now let us explore and understand the structure of our open source projects. Hangman version 1.2 is a game application for Android mobile users. The source packages include enums, constants, and activity classes. I chose another Android application project which has more or less a similar structure with more number of classes in each package. Larger projects are pretty good to explore and they often result in some surprising results. Let us now scroll down to our web application projects. These include entity classes, data access objects, function-specific servlets, and XML mapping servlets. These projects are the usual web API applications which often consist of complex code. Running FindBugs on these projects gave some interesting results. Enough explored. Let us now get hands-on with this tool. Here I scroll over to this project, right-click and say FindBugs, Find Bugs, and the magic begins. To your traditional Java view, add a Bug Explorer tab so that you can explore these bugs easily. And tada! We have 7 bugs in this project. You can see grouping on similar bugs. Double-click on the bug to locate its occurrence, aided with a bug marker and a description in the project. Let's see the properties of this bug. Various properties such as bug type, creation time, detector plugin ID, pattern type, priority, rank, and severity are listed here. Bug type denotes the title. Pattern type allows a category map. A severity 1 bug is a very high priority bug. The properties of the remaining bugs can also be explored in a similar way. Bugs from the projects I previously explored are also listed in this window. Another way of viewing results is to open them in an editor. I can do this by selecting Open Analysis Results in Editor option from the FindBugs menu. As you can see, the results are accumulated and represented in XML format. Each bug is illustrated as a bug instance with attributes, type, priority, category, etc. The class name and the source line of occurrence of each bug is also listed out. Observe that the bugs are listed out in order of categories. First we saw a category style bug, and here we have a bad practice bug. NM class naming convention. Scrolling further down, we have a summary representation for this project termed as FindBugs Summary. It shows the total number of bugs identified, total size, and so on. Individual package statistics are also summarized in the same way. Similar attributes such as total number of bugs, total types, total size are used to illustrate results at package level. Each package contains constituent class statistics too. At the class level, we have attributes such as source file, interface, size, number of bugs, and priority to illustrate the results clearly. Further below, FindBugs profile shows the time taken by the tool to come up with these results. We can customize the tool's usage by tweaking the project properties in the following way. We can automate the invocation of this tool upon build or execute actions. If some bug categories appear to be false positives, they can be ignored by unchecking corresponding items. More information about the detected patterns can be found on the FindBugs bug descriptions page. This is one of the bugs that we saw. These descriptions are often very helpful to understand the bugs that are reported and fix them appropriately. And here we go back to Eclipse. We can clear the bug markers and revert back to our original workspace. And this is pretty much what I wanted to show you. Quite a simple tool and definitely a must try. Bugs detected in the projects shown in this screencast are elaborated in the podcast and blog post that can be explored from the notes of this video. Thank you very much for holding up so far and hope you found this resourceful.